Installation of the safety handrails on the Aqua-Aerobic safety float is a simple process that is typically accomplished in less than 5 minutes per unit. Aqua-Aerobic Systems recommends that 2 people wearing plant-specific personal protection equipment carry out this recommended procedure to ensure correct installation and overall safety of the service team. Before beginning the safety float installation, secure the boat to the anchor mooring rings on the side of the float. At the base of each handrail is an indexing slot that slides over the locking pin inside the handrail base socket. This special arrangement of the indexing slot and locking pin is a safety feature that prevents the handrail from accidentally becoming dislodged if a person leans or falls against the handrail. The safety float is also equipped with a stainless steel lanyard with a snap hook at the base of each handrail. Connecting the lanyard before beginning the install procedure is critical and eliminates the possibility of accidentally dropping or losing the handrail into the water. To begin the safety float installation, connect the snap hook directly to the outer anchor mooring ring on the float and place the handrail flat on the non-skid surface. With the lanyard securely attached, lift the handrail and insert it into the base socket inward at a 45-degree angle so that the locking pin is engaged in the indexing slot. The handrail should easily slide down into the base socket and stop. Once it stops, rotate the handrail 45 degrees, and it will again drop down as it locks into place. This second drop indicates that the handrail is now fully secured against rotation, which may be confirmed by trying to move the handrail in either direction. To install the second handrail, simply repeat these steps. With both handrails securely in place, the service personnel may now utilize the handrails to grip and safely step out of the boat onto the non-skid surface of the unit and complete the required maintenance. To remove the handrails, the previous steps are completed in reverse. First, gently bump the handrails upward so that the handrail is free to rotate. The handrail is then rotated 45 degrees inward, at which point it may be lifted from the handrail base socket. Once removed, lay the handrail onto the non-skid surface of the float and disconnect the snap hook. Lift and place the handrail into the boat. Repeat the process with the second handrail. The safety float from Aqua-Aerobic Systems is the solution for safe and easy access to motors on AquaJet surface aerators and Aqua DDM direct drive mixers. For more information, contact us at 815-654-2501 or visit our website.